What if I told you that being broke is often not about how much you earn, but about the habits you repeat every day? Many people believe they need a higher salary to fix their finances. But the truth is, some high-income earners are drowning in debt, while some average earners build real wealth. The difference is not luck. It's behavior. Welcome back to Smart Money Academy. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification button for more videos like this. Today, we're breaking down 5 money mistakes that secretly keep people broke, and more importantly, how you can fix them starting today. If you recognize even one of these in your life, this video could change your financial future. The first mistake is living without a budget. A budget is not a punishment. It's a plan. Yet many people avoid budgeting because they think it's restrictive or stressful. So they spend blindly, swiping cards, transferring money, paying for things, without tracking where their money actually goes. Imagine driving a car with no dashboard, no fuel gauge, and no speedometer. That's exactly what life without a budget looks like financially. When you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. Small daily expenses, snacks, subscriptions, impulse purchases silently drain your income. And at the end of the month, you're left wondering why nothing is left. Start a simple budget. Track your income. List your expenses. Assign every naira a purpose: spending, saving, or investing. Even a basic plan puts you ahead of most people. The second mistake is upgrading your lifestyle every time your income increases. You get a raise, you upgrade your phone. You get a bonus, you upgrade your wardrobe. You get a better job, you upgrade your rent. This habit is called lifestyle inflation, and it traps people in a cycle where no matter how much they earn, they still feel broke. Wealthy people don't increase expenses at the same speed as income. Broke people do. If every pay raise immediately becomes new spending, your financial situation never improves. It just looks better from the outside. Whenever your income increases, increase your savings and investments first. Let your lifestyle grow slowly, not instantly. Financial freedom is built on delayed upgrades, not immediate ones. Mistake number 3 is not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Phones break, jobs change, cars fail, health issues appear. And when emergencies happen, and they always do, people without savings are forced into debt. Debt taken during emergencies is the most dangerous type because you're borrowing from a place of desperation, not planning. An emergency fund is not optional. It's your financial shock absorber. Without it, one unexpected expense can destroy months or even years of financial progress. Start building an emergency fund today, even if it's small. Save gradually until you have at least 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This single habit separates financially stable people from financially stressed people. Mistake number 4 is treating wants like needs. Needs keep you alive. Wants make life enjoyable. Food is a need. Expensive takeout every night is a want. Clothes are a need. Designer brands every month are a want. A phone is a need. The latest model every year is a want. The problem isn't wanting nice things. The problem is when wants disguise themselves as necessities. Many people say, I had to buy it. But if we're honest, most of those purchases were optional. When you constantly prioritize wants, your money never has the chance to grow. Instead of building assets, you collect temporary pleasures. Before buying anything, ask yourself one question. Is this improving my future or just satisfying my mood? That single question can stop hundreds of bad spending decisions. The 5th mistake, and possibly the most expensive one, is waiting too long to invest. Many people delay investing because they think they need a lot of money to start. Others are afraid of risk. Some simply procrastinate. But time is the most powerful force in investing. Money grows faster the longer it stays invested. Starting early means your money earns returns, and those returns earn returns, and those returns earn returns. That's the magic of compounding. When you delay investing for years, you're not just losing time. You're losing exponential growth. Start investing as soon as possible, even if it's a small amount. Consistency matters more than size. Small investments made regularly over time can grow into life-changing wealth. Here's the truth most people never realize. Being broke is rarely caused by one big mistake. It's caused by small habits repeated daily. But the opposite is also true. Wealth is built from small, smart decisions repeated consistently. So if you want to change your financial life, don't wait for a miracle. Change your habits. Track your money. Control your lifestyle. Build savings. Spend intentionally. Invest early. Because financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about discipline. If you fix these 5 mistakes, you won't just stop being broke. You'll start building real wealth.